My name is Dr. Matthew Wildcat. I'm a member of Ermineskin Cree Nation, and I'm also the Director of Indigenous Governance and Partnership at the University of Alberta and an Assistant Professor. My work is primarily concerned with Indigenous governance, but there's two related concepts. So, Indigenous politics just broadly I'm interested in, but I'm also interested in Indigenous relationality. And so I think about this here as the worldviews, the knowledges, the practices that Indigenous peoples teach the world about relationships and how our relationships extend just beyond humans, but to the larger natural world. So relational governance is really about bringing out Indigenous people's own ideas about relationships, worldviews about relationships, and translating them into the institutional context where those worldviews can be applied in terms of how we govern these various service areas. My big takeaway from today was thinking about how dialogue is a key part of data and data governance, because you need those dialogues in order to know what sort of information you're collecting and then how it might be used.